Magandang tanghali. Can you say magandang tanghali? You only know magandang umaga. Right? Punta kami ni Ryan guys sa isang casting agency. May nag-approach kasi sa amin sa Instagram. Nakita daw nila yung account namin and gusto nilang makita si Ryan para maging model. Are you gonna be a model, Ryan? Huh? Okay. How do you feel? Huh? Nervous. And excited. Oh, diba? Magandang opportunity ito kay Ryan, guys. At least ma-experience man niya. Ano sila? Parang nag-shoot sila ng advertisements, mga tawag nito, yung model para sa mga kids na apparel, like Gap, Nike, ganon. So, we'll see kung anong mangyayari. We'll just try. Okay, Nana? Kami ng petrol. Full tank. Magkano? My God. 4,000 siguro ito. 3,900. Okay. Yeah. Ayan, traffic na naman, guys. Sasanay na ako dahil lagi pag lumalabas ay traffic. Pero okay lang, at least moving traffic naman. Hindi yung ma-stuck tayo ng 30 minutes na hindi nag-move. Ito sa Hyderabad, ayan, moving traffic, so hindi masyadong mahirap. Na kami, guys. Pinnacle Building, 4th floor, right? Yeah. Sa elevator na kami.
It's like AC, you know, AC.
Ayan, 403 na lang. Daming offices pala dito. Let's wait for a while. Are you hungry? They will just take photo, okay? Come on. Nihintay namin yung mag-i-interview kay Ryan. See, a model of Amazon. First cry. And we are done, guys.
Yeah.
How was it, Nana?
It was nice.
Hindi siya nahiya. We just spoke to one person and sabi nila may magandang oportunidad daw si Ryan kasi maputi na ito dito sa kanila, guys. And yung physique niya maganda, pogi daw, pogi. So kailangan nilang mag-build ng portfolio para kay Ryan. So kailangan ni Ryan mag-photoshoot, ganun, para may mga pictures si Ryan sa website nila. Then papakita sa mga clients kung may magpili kay Ryan na project, then sasabihin nila sa amin. It will take time daw yung photoshoot. Sasabihin nila sa amin kung kailan, and then siguro yung profile ni Ryan will be up next month.
Next month?
Yeah. So we'll see. It's gonna rain, it seems. Gloomy weather again. Yeah, ang tagal namin doon, guys. Around 2 oras siguro. Kasi it's 3 o'clock na.
Mommy,
let's go home.
It's getting, see, that spot got a little darker.
Yeah. Oh, maabuto na naman tayo ng ulan, Ryan.
I hope it's not a heavy rain again.
Yeah, like yesterday.
Yesterday I was so
Oh my
worried
God.
about the bike. Maybe it already fall down.
Yeah, takot siya ng ulan kasi daw. Kung ano daw ang mangyari. Ay, nako. Talagang warrior din si Ryan. Okay, 24 minutes lang pala. Hindi
My
masyadong
dinner
traffic.
is KFC.
Nag-promise yung dad niya, KFC daw ang dinner for Ryan. Come on, let's go. 1 minute, guys. See, it won't rain na.
What?
It won't rain. The sun is up again. Buti na lang. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Hello! He ate already?
Yes.
Parang nag-air fry pa si Daddy Ram ng chicken. Naririnig ko. You wanna eat chicken, Nana?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you.
Come on. Proud of you.
Our handsome hero. Tanya? Just now you ate lunch?
Yeah. Just took shower. Then said you late.
Okay. Late breakfast din kasi late gumising ang mga chikiting na ito.
So then get evening.
Yes!
Eat shit!
Pakainin ko si Ryan, guys. And kain na rin ako ng party kong chicken. Yeah, na hindi ko nakain kanina. So, air fried lang ito. Bagong the chicken, Tanvi.
Okay, come on. It's too spicy.
It's too spicy, baby. Tanvi said the chicken is too spicy. But you still ate? She ate, Tanya?
Yeah.
Ryan is ready for swimming class.
Wow!
Yes! Tumawag na naman yung casting agency sa akin, guys. And ang sabi nila, kailan daw yung available time na pwedeng mag-picture si Ryan. Bakit matawag si Daddy? Yeah, baby. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. One second. Send ko lang to. Ayan. Sana ba tayo? Yun, tumawag sila sa akin para sa schedule ni Ryan. Mag-start na ng school si Ryan ng 18, di ba? So sabi ko before that, hopefully magawa na namin. But we'll see. And kung may pasok naman si Ryan, siguro weekends. Sabi nila, ang concern ko kasi baka ma-disturb yung pag-aaral ni Ryan. Sabi nila, hindi naman. Most of the time, yung mga shoot weekends, ganun. But we'll try to, manage yung time para hindi mastorbo ang pag-aaral ni Ryan. Yun ang ating #1 priority. And super proud at stage mother talaga ako, guys. Kasi, ako talaga yung nag-aasikaso sa mga ganito para sa kanya. Of course, di ba? Oportunidad na ito. Bakit hindi? And si Ryan, sanay na siya sa harap ng camera kasi nga nagbablog tayo. And hindi siya mahiyain sa ibang tao. Talaga nakikipag-usap siya. So, at least, sanay na ang ating Ryan at hindi na siya mangangapapa. Yun yung importante. And experience. Diba? Hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganitong oportunidad. So, sobrang happy kami sa good news na ito. Hello! Where is Ryan?
He called. He came to the player and called. Swimming?
Yeah. But I told him to come up first. He went to the outside pool already?
Only Ryan and he played to see. He went already.
I told him to come up so that both of you can change swimming clothes. Then we will all go down.
Oh. But
Yeah.
we can practice it.
You got hurt? Why? Why? What happened,
Because
Tanvi?
she already got hurt first. So we were playing on the swing. So accidentally my nail cut the top layer of it. So it started bleeding.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Change swimming clothes? Do you want to go swimming? Okay. Ang daming ganap ni Ryan, guys. May swimming competition siya this Sunday. Dito lang sa community namin. So, sabi ng coach niya, mag-practice daw siya sa outside pool kasi mas malaki yun. And doon gaganapin ang competition. So, at least ma-practice siya. So, yun. Bababa ako para bantayan yung mga bata. And alam nyo naman, si Tanya at saka si Tanvi, few days na lang dito sa Hyderabad. So, dapat sulitin ang kanilang pagsiswimming. Yun ang kanilang pinaka-paborito. So, samahan natin. Mukhang uulan na, guys. Careful! Ay, nako. Super excited sila. May dala akong payong para sa akin kasi hindi ako maliligo, di ba? Wait for me! My God! Your swimming friends are here also? Let me put that one properly. Come here, guys. Happy now, Tanvi? Is it cold? Sige, enjoy lang. Ryan, you said you want to do practice. Right?
I don't want to do swimming race.
Swimming race, come on. You stay here, okay? I'll go with Ryan in the big pool. Swimming race, Ryan. Sir said you need to practice. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go! 9 years old na yung kaibigan ni Ryan. Go, go, go! Nagsiswimming din. Swimming class friend niya. Dito gaganapin yung competition. But by age. Nakukulit. Sige. How many months already you're doing swimming class? It's been 1 year. Swimming class. 1 year? You're doing it?
Yeah. 1 year. You started doing swimming.
Yeah, same. 1 year also. Coach is here now. See, ang problema kay Ryan, lagi siyang humihinga. Yung nag-break. Ngayon, sabi ko sa kanya, oh, less breathing, more swimming. So, mas mabilis na siya ngayon. Swimmer Tanvi din daw siya. Oh, di ba? Oh, di ba? Ang galing na. Oh, oh. Very good, Tanvi. Tanya, Tanvi is better than you now. Yeah. Oh, see? Look at her. Wow. Ang cute ni Tanvi. She's really trying. Come on. How about you, Tanya? You wanna go to the big pool? Yeah? Okay, go. Ryan is there. You know how to swim, right? I'll take care of Tanvi. Tanya, you swim from here to there only, okay? Edges. Tanya wants to go swimming here. See, Tanya also is trying. You're feeling cold? Shall we go home? No? It's so windy. Yeah. I got my umbrella. Yeah. Ang cute ni Tanvi, nag-i-enjoy mag-isa. Happy? You love swimming? Yung dalawa andun. Andun pa rin. Si Tanya seryoso sa kanyang sariling sikap na swimming lesson. Si Ryan naman busy sa kanyang friendship. Yeah, sure. Playtime na ni Ryan. Pagod na siyang mag-practice. Kanina kasi, di ba, 1 hour swimming class. Yeah. Run, Tanya, run. Your tag. Don't include Tanvi, okay? Only the 3 of you. Ito yung mga beginners, guys. Tinitrain ng coach. Usually sa indoor pool sila. Kaya lang, parang dahil sa competition, nandito sila sa outdoor pool. Ang cute nilang apat. Parang may mga kabayo. Ano ba yan? Horsey race? Naiwan yung mga passenger? Let's go home, guys. Who wants popcorn? I got popcorn at home. Fine. Malungkot. We're here for 2 hours already. Huh? Ayaw niyo pang tumigil? Nagmamaktor. Nagmamaktor. Swimming is life.
Should we do movie evening with the popcorn?
Come on. Tomorrow again. Tomorrow. Okay? Later. Take shower first. Diyos ko, hindi makahintay. I will make more. Don't worry. Kulit. Popcorn time.
Popcorn! I like some power.
I love popcorn, sabi niya.
That's the eaters. The yummy, yummy popcorn. See how to bake it inside the package?
Yeah. Whoa!
Wow!
It's hot, okay? Be careful.
I want to blow it.
1 minute. Hindi makahintay. You can get small bowls also and eat.
I got the popcorn.
You had fun?
Yes.
Tomorrow again we'll go swimming.
Okay. Okay.
Tanvi know how to swim. I'm so proud of Tanvi. Dania also. And Ren also, of course. So, nag-popcorn, ha?
Yeah.
Daddy is still not here, yan. Almost 7 o'clock already.
Yeah.
Gym pa more. Gym pa more.
I think it's dinner time. I think it's dinner time.
Dinner time kasi naghihintay ng KFC to si Ryan. Nag-promise yung daddy niya. Yeah. Didn't pop.
Sure.
Yummy,
She said
yummy.
no popcorn. This is popcorn.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Hey. What do you want? How many?
Shall we do movie time?
Yeah.
Popcorn and movie time.
Without Daddy because he's coming too late. Let's go.
Okay, let's go there. Living room, let's off the light. What movie you wanna watch? Scary movie.
She wants a vampire movie.
She wants vampire movie?
I know
Seriously?
which one. I
woke up a vampire? Are you serious, guys?
Yes, vampire. Or something scary. No, I don't
Seriously?
want scary movie. I don't want scary. I hate scary.
Dog movie?
Yes, dog movie. Dog.
Into the blue, orange, and yellow. But mine didn't want that. All my planets were pink.
Choose what movie you want.
All of them. Mars, Jupiter,
Dog.
Venus, Uranus.
But something all 3 of you will watch, okay?
Yeah.
So it's fair. And everyone will enjoy.
Enjoy kids.
Enjoy!
DMZ. Wait, I have this Lego set.
Yeah.
I thought you said this place was.
I think that's new movie than the Legos.
Inspirational poster that says something.
You want that one?
No. Mommy, you see that guy in the middle?
Mm.
Let's go do something.
Yeah, you have that kind of character.
That one? Yeah, I have it there.
Ito na ang sitwasyon ngayon, guys. Tingnan nyo.
Crystal's ethically
Ano, Tanvi? Anong pinagsasabi mo, Tanvi? Hindi ko maintindihan, Tanvi. Yan si Tanya, inubos niya ang lahat ng popcorn. You finish everything?
Anything else?
Not me, I finish it halfway and then I finish a little bit.
daylight, moonlight.
How would we? I didn't eat
Very
anything.
special crystals.
Yeah, you ate also some. It's movie time.
Then
Movie night.
I got mangoes requested. This one is wait for tomorrow. You can do one of these or that
Oh
one.
my god. Last of mango season.
Almost last year.
Yee! Mango float! Mango float ako. Thank you.
Welcome.
From where? Same shop?
Same shop.
Okay.
He called me. He said, "Anna, last batch, Anna, the small ones."
Dumating na ang pinakahihintay ni Ryan. Kasi nag-promise ang tatay niya. French fries! Okay, put the plates. Let's eat. Here. More chicken. Okay, put some on your plates. Whatever you want.
Love and fries. French fries.
Yes, okay. Some for Tanya, some for Tanvi.
What plate?
Nothing for me.
Of course.
Daddy bought for you.
Listen, you are the main reason.
Okay. Pinagawa niya sa French fries.
So much chicken. Don't fight, guys.
Kaloka to mga batang to.
This one.
Do you want this one? Ketchup? You can use that on the
Yeah.
Can you give me little rice, please? KFC with rice. Rice is life for mommy. Okay, thank you.
Slowly, the chicken won't run away.
Oh my god, really? We're starving them, baby.
Usually, Tanya take years to eat, but today.
Yeah. Maybe can you open this? If it's KFC, it's McDonald's, it's a race. Right, Tanvi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So scared that someone's gonna finish the food. Hmm?
Yeah. It's kind of like it's common that robbers break into our house and we then just go away.
Yeah.
Who come into our house?
Robbers.
Like
Never.
food robbers, they come, then they, when we're not there, if you leave some food, they just take it. Then
So we have 3 robbers. 1, 2, 3.
no, we only have 2 robbers, 1, 2.
Who?
Continue movie night? Huh?
The kids is come.
Everyone full?
Yes.
Okay. Let's say bye to guys.
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you, Bukas, please.
Buka? Bukas?